Embrace funny energy-saving mode. Lazy bird t-shirt. Laid-back lifestyle with the funny energy-saving mode. Lazy bird t-shirt. A perfect blend of humor and comfort. This playful design captures the spirit of taking life a little slower. Featuring an adorable lazy bird in energy-saving mode that is sure to bring smiles wherever you go. Ideal for casual outings, lounging at home, or making a statement at social gatherings. This shirt combines witty graphics with everyday wearability. Its eye-catching design appeals to anyone who enjoys a good laugh while keeping comfort atop priority. Whether you're gifting it to a friend or adding it to your own collection, this t-shirt embodies lighthearted charm and effortless style. Funny energy-saving mode. Lazy bird t-shirt, sweater, ladies' tee, and long-sleeved. Embrace your inner lazy bird with our funny energy-saving mode t-shirt. Perfect for chill vibes. Chill in style with our funny energy-saving mode lazy bird sweatshirt. Perfect for cozy days. Embrace your inner lazy bird with our funny energy-saving mode tank top. Perfect for chill days. Embrace your inner chill with our funny energy-saving mode lazy bird ladies tee. Unleash your inner chill with the funny energy-saving mode lazy bird hoodie. Embrace your inner sloth with our funny energy-saving mode lazy bird t-shirt. Perfect for relaxations. Crafted from 100% premium cotton, this funny energy-saving mode lazy bird t-shirt provides softness, breathability, and durability. Made in the United States, it ensures top-quality construction with attention to detail in every stitch. The natural cotton fabric keeps you cool during warm days and provides cozy comfort during cooler moments, making it a versatile wardrobe staple. Designed to retain its shape and vibrant print even after multiple washes, this t-shirt guarantees long-lasting enjoyment. Pair it with jeans, shorts, or joggers for a relaxed look, or layer it under jackets for a casual yet playful style. Perfect for fans of witty, fun apparel. This t-shirt is a must-have addition for anyone who loves humor, comfort, and high-quality American craftsmanship. Other product